Welcome back to Bike Magazine. Today we're shifting gears from bikes to the world of cars as we dive into the highly anticipated 2025 Honda Civic reveal. Buckle up because we have some exciting details to share. Honda has always been known for its innovation and reliability, and the 2025 Civic is no exception. This latest model promises to deliver a perfect blend of performance, comfort, and technology. Let's take a closer look. The 2025 Honda Civic showcases a sleek design with sharper lines and an aggressive stance. The front grille has been reimagined, and the LED headlights give it a modern look that's hard to ignore. Under the hood, the 2025 Civic offers several engine options, including a turbocharged 2.0-liter engine that delivers impressive power without sacrificing fuel efficiency. Expect agile handling and a smooth ride, making it perfect for both city driving and long road trips. Honda has fine-tuned the suspension for a sportier feel, and with improved steering response, the Civic promises an engaging driving experience. Now let's talk tech. The 2025 Civic comes equipped with the latest in infotainment systems. A larger touchscreen interface, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto are just the tip of the iceberg. Plus, Honda sensing safety features have been enhanced, ensuring a safer ride. Inside, the cabin boasts high-quality materials, spacious seating, and a more driver-focused layout. The design is modern yet functional, providing comfort for everyone on board. With the reveal of the 2025 Honda Civic, it's clear that Honda is looking to compete fiercely with rivals like the Toyota Corolla and the Mazda 3. Each offers unique strengths, but the Civic's blend of performance, tech, and design may just give it the edge. So what do you think about the 2025 Honda Civic? Is it on your radar? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more automotive content. Thanks for tuning into Bike Magazine. We'll see you next time as we continue to explore the exciting world of vehicles 2 wheels or 4. Until then, ride safe.